I don't know what day it is, whatever day it is. I hope everybody's having a great week. So this weekend, Jason and I were debating on cleaning the shower. I wanna say really quick, don't judge. I'm gonna show you my nasty tile shower. I love our tile shower. It's like 5 foot by 6 foot. We love our tile shower, but I hate cleaning the grout. I absolutely hate it. I'm sure that I cannot be the only one, so I'm sure there's a lot of other people who hate cleaning your tile grout. So I found this cheap and easy solution to clean the tile grout, and I wanted to share it with you. I was so excited to share it with you. So we have these brushes. I don't know if you've ever seen them before. They come in a pack of 3 in the paint section. They're $3.99 for 3 brushes, okay? This is brass, and the other one is stainless, and it works a lot better if your shower is, like if you're in the shower, you've been taking a hot, warm shower, and everything's kind of like loosened up and good and warm and toasty. I just have a bucket, just a bowl of cold water, what my dog has been drinking, but can you see like right here? This is like a mold, basically it's mold right here. Do you see all the black in the grout lines? I hate cleaning the grout, I hate it, it's miserable. So for $3 or $4, you can grab these little brushes, just take hot water and just literally scrub. Now the dirt gets on there. I have just a microfiber cloth that I wipe it off with, and you can see it's all gone. So like, see all that up there? And then I just wiped it off, which you could just rinse it off when you're in the shower. It's gone, $3.99. There's packs of 3 of these brushes. One in the pack is brass. Another is stainless steel and one is plastic. And they're in the paint department. It has this little end brush, and so you can get in the corner. And all I did was literally just scrub the crusties off. I don't know if anybody else has a better way. See all the crust? Cleaning products, usually harmful chemical cleaning products break out my hands, and so I can't use them. So I usually just clean with microfiber and water, but it wasn't getting the grout clean. And so Jason lovingly decided he knew how to do it. And I was shocked that it actually worked. You can use them on anything. I used it on some other soap scum stuff in the shower too, but literally just scrub it off. And it's a lot easier, like I said, it's a lot easier if it is wet in here and the shower is nice and warm and everything's all cozy, but it is super fast and it comes right off. If you have any questions, holler, let me know. We do have them, like I said, in the store in the paint department for $4 for a pack of 3 of these. Buy one for you and give one to your neighbor that you don't even like, or grandma, or whoever. Now I'm gonna have higher expectations, or my husband is, of me cleaning the shower and the tile grout more often. So I hope that doesn't happen to you, but yeah, good luck. Okay, I'll see you later.